So for the last couple of days we've been working on our plumbing system. So this is where the water is going to go in on our bus. This fills up the tank. This fills up the tank. This is the shore water and this is the vent. And so now we'll walk around to the inside of the bus because that's where all the fun stuff is. Hey. Thank you. So this is our tank. We strapped it down, and as you can see, we've filled it a little bit just to test. So here, let's start in here. So as you can see, that's the boxing housing that was on the outside. This is the inside. The big hose and clear hose and the little clear hose go to the tank, and that is over here in our couch. Big hose, little hose, and then I don't know if you can see it, but down in there there's a blue hose, blue PEX, and that takes the water from the tank down here to the pump where it pumps the water. Oh, it's leaking a little from the pump, Matt.
Okay.
Up that PEX over to our filter. Then that's for the hot water heater when we get it. That is for the sink, the cold and hot water for the sink. And then it's going to go through that wall. And on the other side of the wall, which is our shower. So it's going to come out here and around and then to our shower. So we've got the plumbing pretty much done. So that's exciting.